Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wanted to start a brand new Clash of Clans adventure, right on the device you already use? Maybe you want to try out a fresh strategy, or perhaps just experience the game from the beginning again. Well, you're in the right place. Creating a second account is surprisingly simple, and don't worry, your primary village will remain safe and sound, ready for you whenever you want to switch back. First things first, let's make sure your current, awesome village is completely safe. It is super important to link your existing Clash of Clans account to either your Google Play Games account if you're on Android or your Apple ID if you're on iOS. This creates a solid backup, protecting all your hard-earned progress. This way, you can easily recover it later, ensuring peace of mind. Now for the key step to reset the game on your device. If you're on Android, head to your device's settings, find apps, then Clash of Clans, and select Clear Data and Clear Cache. For iOS users, you can either offload app in settings to keep documents or delete and reinstall it completely. This prepares your device to start a brand new game, just like you downloaded it for the first time. After clearing the data, launch Clash of Clans. You'll see it starts fresh, just like a brand new installation. Play through the initial tutorial with your new village. It's short and easy. Once you gain control, it's crucial to immediately create a *new Supercell ID for this account. This unique ID will be dedicated solely to your second village, keeping it separate and secure from your main one. Now that you have multiple accounts, switching between them is incredibly simple, thanks to Supercell ID. Just open Clash of Clans, go to the in-game settings, and find the connected button, which is usually green. From there, select Log Out, and then you'll see options to log into your other linked Supercell ID. It's a seamless process, letting you manage all your villages without any hassle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.